Planning a move in Lowell, Massachusetts? Whether you are moving across town, relocating to another city, or preparing for a long-distance move, it helps to understand what can affect your moving costs before booking.
A local Lowell move usually depends on labor time, truck size, and how much you are moving. For long-distance moves, pricing may also include mileage, shipment weight or volume, delivery schedule, and route planning. Your final moving cost can depend on home size, number of movers, packing services, stairs, elevators, parking access, heavy furniture, specialty items, and whether you need storage during the move. A studio or one-bedroom apartment typically takes less time than a full household move. More rooms, large furniture, appliances, and fragile items can require more labor, packing materials, and truck space. If you have a busy schedule, packing services can make the move easier. Movers may help with fragile items, furniture wrapping, box labeling, and organized loading. To manage the budget, you can pack simple items yourself. Access can also affect the estimate. Narrow streets, limited parking, apartment stairs, elevators, long hallways, or tight loading areas can add time, so it is best to mention these details when requesting a quote. Before choosing a Lowell moving company, compare written estimates. Look at what is included, what may cost extra, and whether the mover explains the process clearly. The lowest quote is not always the best value. To keep moving days smoother, declutter early, label boxes by room, separate important documents, confirm parking, and review pickup and delivery details before the crew arrives. So what should you know about Lowell movers? Your cost depends on home size, distance, labor, packing needs, access conditions, and service level. A clear plan helps avoid confusion on moving day. For more helpful moving guides, visit 3movers at 3movers.com and read the full guide on Lowell movers and moving costs.